Hello, fashion enthusiasts, and welcome back to Eco Elegance Euphoria, the channel that proves you can look fabulous while saving the planet. Today, we've got an exciting lineup for you as we dive into the world of sustainable fashion. We'll be revealing the top 10 must-have wardrobe essentials that not only elevate your style, but also contribute to a greener, more ethical world. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first essential is a cornerstone of sustainable fashion, number 10 organic cotton shirt. It's versatile, chic, and eco-friendly. Organic cotton is grown without harmful pesticides, making it better for both you and the environment. Number 9 Sustainable Jeans. Next up, we have a pair of well-fitted sustainable jeans. These not only provide comfort but are also made using ethical practices and materials like recycled denim, reducing waste in the fashion industry. Number 8 Sustainable Blazer. No wardrobe is complete without a classic blazer, and ours is sustainably made from eco-friendly materials. Look sharp while supporting ethical manufacturing practices. Number 7 Eco-friendly shoes. Now, let's talk about eco-friendly shoes. Opt for footwear made from sustainable materials like bamboo, hemp, or even recycled plastic bottles. These choices reduce your carbon footprint and look fantastic. Number 6 Sustainable Handbag. Every fashionista needs a stunning handbag. Our choice: a cruelty-free, eco-friendly handbag made from sustainable materials. It's a statement piece that reflects your ethical values. Number 5 Eco-friendly accessories. To complete your eco-elegant look, don't forget about accessories. Consider jewelry made from recycled metals, sustainable sunglasses, and scarves created from organic fabrics. These accents elevate your style while promoting sustainability. Number 4 Sustainable Coat. As the seasons change, a sustainable coat becomes a wardrobe essential. Look for options made from materials like organic, raw or recycled fibers, keeping you warm and eco-conscious. Number 3 Sustainable Dress. A sustainable dress is perfect for those special occasions. Choose one made from eco-friendly fabrics like tencel or hemp. You'll turn heads while reducing your fashion footprint. Number 2 Eco-friendly activewear. Last but not least, stay active and eco-friendly with sustainable activewear. From yoga pants to workout tops, there are plenty of options crafted from recycled materials that keep you stylish during your fitness journey. Number 1 Eco-friendly baby dress. And there you have it, our top 10 must-have sustainable wardrobe essentials. Remember, conscious choices in fashion can make a significant impact on the planet. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are also looking to embrace eco-elegance. Thank you for joining us today on Eco Elegance Euphoria. Stay stylish, stay sustainable, and together, let's make the world a more eco-elegant place. See you in the next video.